Wait, Grok is no longer free? What am I supposed to do now?
People are looking for free alternatives, but which one actually works? Yes, I finally found a solution.
Wait, Grok is no longer free? What am I supposed to do now? People are looking for free alternatives, but which one actually works?
So imagine waking up to the news that your favorite content creation tool is no longer available for free. And if you are running a faceless YouTube channel, I actually feel your pain. When I saw this news, I was like, not again. Like in recent times, we all know that faceless creators have been battling with a whole lot here on YouTube. They've been battling with inauthentic content, repetitive content, and then this is adding to the list. So, as smart creators, what do? We definitely have to look for alternatives. Like, we can't just sit down and be wailing, and then that is why I am making this video just for you. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you the alternatives you can use to generate your images and your videos just for free. Yes, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to head over to my Chrome browser.
So the very first tool we're going to be trying out is Quen AI. So I'll type it, then I went ahead to click on the first one that appeared, and then it took me into the platform, and then this is what we have. So I went ahead to put a prompt for me to generate an image on the platform, and I was able to generate an image. So I further wanted to generate a video without logging in, and I wasn't able to do so. So for you to do this, you will be required to log in or sign up. So I had to follow all the due process for me to sign up into the platform. So I went ahead to fill in my details, verify my email, and then that was simply it. And I was brought into this interface. So it was from here I had to start working on my video. So the first thing I went ahead to do is to choose my aspect ratio. Now I went ahead to choose 16:19 because I'm using this on a long form YouTube video. Then I already copied my prompt, so I just went ahead to paste it, and then I will click on enter. So for my prompt, I actually used ChatGPT to be able to generate this. I'm sure you already know that. And then let's see what we have already.
Wait, Grok is no longer free? What am I supposed to do now?
So I was supposed to generate my image before I start my video generation, right? But because I didn't do that, so I just went ahead to screenshot what I had. Then I went to recent, and then I was able to pick it, and then I pasted another prompt. Unlike Grok, this actually takes time to generate. So at this point, I would also want to mention that this Quen AI generates just 5 seconds video. That's for the free version, right? So the second video actually generated, but I was not understanding what it was saying. Hear it out.
For free, quarter permit turns addictive, but which one actually works?
So I had to regenerate it again. So I just basically used the same picture and then the same prompt, and it was able to come up with a better version. It actually then gave me what I wanted. So like I said, this actually takes time to generate videos. Like I had to skip some parts, I had to cut some parts off so that this video can just be as short as possible. So here we have it. Let me click on it so I can play it. So this time around, it actually gave me what I wanted. Hear it out.
People are looking for free alternatives, but which one actually works?
So let's merge the two and hear it.
Wait, Grok is no longer free? What am I supposed to do now? People are looking for free alternatives, but which one actually works?
Number 2 on my list is Flow AI. So head over to our Chrome browser and then we type Flow AI and then it is going to open up. So it was basically asking me to download the app and no, I had to go back. I basically just wanted to use the web version. So I basically just clicked on this particular link, the one above the app version. So this is it brought me into the interface and I was also required to sign up or log in, of which I did. So I just basically used my email address to sign up. So after signing up, I clicked on continue and then I was able to have access to the interface. So this is it, new project. Then I'm going to click on this new project because we want to go ahead and start up our project. So I'm going to be using the same prompt as we used for the Quen AI. So I will use the same prompt here. So at the end of this video, you will tell me which of them is your favorite. So I brought in my prompts. So I'll go ahead and click here and then this is what it is showing. So we're going to change it from image to video because we want to generate video. Then I'll choose the size, which is 16:19. Then this times 2, I'm going to change it to times 1. I just want it to generate one video and then because this is for tutorial purpose. So but if it's for your own use, you can generate times 2 and then you go ahead and choose which one you prefer. So for me, the times 1 is perfectly okay. Then I'm going to leave it at that view 3.1 fast and then we go ahead and enter. So let's wait for it to bring up our video. So it is already generating, as you can see. So for Flow AI, I was able to generate up to 8 seconds video.
Wait, Grok is no longer free? What am I supposed to do now?
So that is our first scene. I'll go ahead and copy my second scene and then take the prompt there and do the same thing so that we can get our second video. So after entering your prompt, you go ahead and download it once the video is done generating. So let's hear our second video.
People are looking for free alternatives, but which one actually works?
So I followed the same process for me to be able to generate the other scenes. Then I also wanted to save the image. So what I basically did was, I just clicked on it. I clicked on the video and then I was able to save the image. Just probably I would want to use it for my thumbnail or what have you. So I followed the same process for me to be able to generate my scene 3. So it's just a continuous process, right? So at the end of this video, I would want you to tell me your favorite. Like I generated these images using the same prompt but 2 different AI apps, right? So I would want you to tell me your favorite of them all. So as you can see, the download button is above. Then I downloaded it using 720p, which is the original size. So if you want anything above this, you will be asked to upgrade.
Yes, I finally found a solution.
You can go ahead and crop the view, the name out. So let's merge the 3 scenes together.
Wait, Grok is no longer free? What am I supposed to do now?
People are looking for free alternatives, but which one actually works? Yes, I finally found a solution.
So if you got value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Until next time when I come your way again, thank you so much for watching.